What's up, y'all? Welcome to another channel of MHRP, Machine Head Repair Project. And today we're going to be discussing about something that people neglect a lot. Actually, you know what, to tell you the truth, it's not being neglected, it's people don't know it's there. And that's the cabin air filter. So what is the cabin air filter and where is it located? Well, the cabin air filter is an air filter that looks like the air filter in where your engine is. It's a square air filter, flat, and it looks just like the air filter that goes to your engine. But this one goes inside your car, under the dash. So a lot of it will be right underneath the passenger side dash behind the glove compartment. So the way to access it is to lower your glove compartment and then remove your glove compartment, and right behind the glove compartment is a long rectangular cover that clips on both sides, or some of them might be bolted on. And then once you remove that, it's just an air filter behind there. And that air filter is right there where the blower motor is. And for some of y'all that don't know what a blower motor is, the blower motor is what blows the air for your AC and heating. So when you turn on the air for AC and heating, the blower motor is what blows the air at low temperature, low volume and high volume, the pressure. So the cabin air filter blocks the debris that's coming into your car that will blow into your vents, because you don't want any of that debris or leaves or dust or sand, whatever it may be, blowing in your face. So that's why that cabin air filter is in there, for that reason. And a lot of people don't know it's there, and a lot of people, if they do know, they neglect to change it. And it's very necessary to change it, because actually that cabin filter gets dirty really bad. And so today we're going to go ahead and get into one of these vehicles, and I'm going to show you an example of where a cabin filter lies, what they look like when they're dirty, and what they look like and how to change it. So stay tuned and let's get to this. The cabin filter. So on most vehicles, the cabin filter will lie in the passenger side under the dash behind the glove compartment. In this case, in this vehicle, that's where it's going to be. So let me show you how to access it. So here we are where the glove compartment is. First thing you want to do is you want to open the glove compartment and take anything out of the glove compartment, because when you remove the glove compartment, everything's going to actually dump out. So hopefully your glove compartment is not full of junk. After you remove all the stuff that's in your glove compartment, most of the glove compartment, majority of them, you're going to push these ends inwards. And when you push them inwards, there's a clip that actually sticks out like this, and when you pull the clip these tabs in, these clips are going to go inwards so you can pull it down. So if you can see, that's the clip right there, and when we pull that in, it's going to come out like so. And we're going to do that on both ends of the glove compartment. So you're going to grab both sides, pull in, and pull down. Next thing what you're going to want to do is the bottom is either going to be bolted to the vehicle. The bottom of the glove compartment is either going to be bolted or screwed onto the dash, or some of them is going to be clipped on. In this case, this glove compartment is actually clipped on. So we're going to go ahead and pull and unclip it. And I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. You got these clips right here that just clips in on both ends. And those clip into the bottom area of the dash, like so. So right now what you're looking at is the area where the cabin filter is in the blower motor. And when I was discussing about the blower motor, this is the blower motor here that blows the air to your vents. So since you have the blower motor here, you know that the cabin filter will always be above it. This is the rectangular cover that I was talking about that we're going to remove just by 2 clips on each side that you're going to pinch in and remove, and then the cabin filter will be right behind it. So you're going to pinch in and remove, just like that. That's all it is, pinching in. Both ends. We'll put that to the side, and right here is the cabin filter. And you'll see how dirty it is. Look at this cabin filter. Look how disgusting it looks. Look at all the debris and grass and leaves that are all in here. This is what we're breathing. This is what when you don't know about the cabin filter, or this is what happens when you neglect about the cabin filter and to change it. So the question for everybody is, how often do you need to change this? Well, I would say, depending where you live and how much debris your car will suck in, I would check it pretty often. If you live out in the country, dirt and gravel road, it's pretty often that you should check this. But if you live in the city, I would say as much as you change the oil every 3,000 miles. I would just check it. It's not that difficult to pull out, just check it. And if it needs replacement, just replace it. Once you have a new air filter, cabin filter, you want to go ahead and stick it back in. But make sure to read the label on the filter. It's going to point up. So the blower motor is going to be in the bottom, so the air is going to blow upwards because it's going to blow out of the vent. So that means the air will go up. So you will put the cabin filter in like so, with the up pointing upwards, and just slide it in. And next you will grab your cover with the clip, and sometimes these will have arrows as well on there, and you're just going to stick them back in, and they're just going to clip on, just like that. Simple. Now from there, you're just going to grab your glove compartment, either or it clips on or bolts on. Make sure you put the bottom part in first. So we're going to clip ours on. Just like so. And then we're just going to press inwards with the 2 tabs. They're going to clip back on. And your glove compartment is back on. It's just as simple as that. And make sure you put all your junk back in the glove. If this video has been helpful, please click the like button below. If you have any question or comment, please leave it down below as well. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, because there will be much more videos just like this, so you can know more about your vehicle and how to maintain them. Till next time.